Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklockspot.co.uk. This is an out of the package type video from a care package from kind jmmurdy on there. The reason it looks a bit scruffy, it's quite comical. This package came through the post today, so I emailed jmmurdy, said it sort of arrived because he was sending me 2 packages. So I'm going to pop this to one side for a moment. Now this one came through the other day. It's artwork, it was packaged up lovely. I took the names and addresses, sender, receiver, etc. off, opened it up in video and found my address and jmmurdy's video inside, so I had to cut the video, and obviously got this package. So this was part 2. Jay, my friend, you really seal things up well and put addresses in there nicely. So I got home today to do part 2 with part 1, and when opening this, took everything off the front, obviously wrote that on there myself to say it's from kind jmmurdy. Got inside, took the outer sort of wrapping off to find an address inside there for myself and jmmurdy, so I had to cut the camera. So let's see how we get on. I've not been into the box that's actually inside this yet. So first of all, this is fantastic artwork. Jay, my friend, that's fantastic. I think what we're doing is wanting to sort of incorporate these designs into our YouTube site, sort of intros like Bosnian Bill has his. Graphic wise, on a computer, once this is done, they're going to look fantastic. So the design there, my friend, is absolutely brilliant. I'm not very good with computers, but I'm going to have a bash, because I could do with some sort of, I like my cross swords and the C2 in the middle that I've already got, that a kind member on our UK Lockspot forum did for me. But additions like this will be absolutely fantastic. Pop that to one side. A few designs on there. There's another one, YouTube C2. Again, different design. Looks great. And that's one I think you did for yourself, mate. But again, in sort of logos and put into the movie makers when digitised, these are going to look brilliant. So while on the subject of doing the video on take 3, I've also had a redeployment through work, through our organisation, to a different place, and one of the fantastic guys there is a newbie to Lockspot, and I didn't know that till I arrived, and I've actually been repinning a few locks for him. And when he asked how I do that, I showed him the 3D printer plug followers, and I gave him dimensions, and he's making me a full set out of brass, and I'll show you the finished product afterwards. It was on a lathe. I photographed them for the forum from sort of start to finish, and he would not let me take the follower home yesterday because he'd not polished it, but bringing it home today and testing it is absolutely outstanding. I'll show that at the end of the video. So I've literally masked this off with a little bit of sellotape, so we'll start again and try going there. So thank you once again, jmmurdy, my friend, you are an absolute star. My little penknife again. So I'm literally cutting across this tape if I can get in there. So I do hope there's no more addresses in this, mate. See, once I opened that, I took my address and jmmurdy's off the front. Once opening this, there was addresses on the front there. So I had to cut the camera, tape it up, pop that to one side, make sure there's nothing on the back. Doing a couple of takes, I'm not sure if my battery's going to run out, that's why I literally add in the plug for a little bit afterwards. Right, better getting in this way I think. Wow. Right, did not expect this. Oh my god. Right, jmmurdy, my friend, really, I did not expect this. I know you said you were sending a couple of packages out, but I've got a black handled Peterson, is it a Peterson gem? Looks like it. I don't want to be taking any of this out. There's a few, or a couple of nice tension wrenches there. Once I've had a play with these, I'm going to give you a good mention again on YouTube. Like I say, there must be a little note in there. That is fantastic, mate. Like I say, I did not expect that. I'm hoping that battery does not run out on the camera now. Let's take this out of the box, it'll be easier I think. So I've got a t-shirt in there, so I've got to be careful what I do with my cutting open of things. I do hope that battery lasts because this is a lovely package. Right, that's an Abus Platanium. And get that tape off there to be able to see it a bit better. I'm not going to spend too much time taking all that off, but that looks like a hefty lock. Maximum 10. JM, my friend. I am not going to have a chance at picking. I'm absolutely rubbish at ABUS locks, so that is going to be a fantastic challenge for me. Thank you, my friend. Let's try be quick. Gonna look at that t-shirt in a second. I've got an ABUS 54 TI40. I picked one of those the other day. Lovely little locks, and that'll look lovely actually stood next to the other one in my newer collection of locks. So thank you, my friend. Tubular lock. Cannot see what's on the front of there. So I don't want to take that off, but with a bit of luck I'll get that picked open also at some point. Lots of nice goodies in there, my friend. T-shirt. Google. Oh, love it. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Let me step back a little bit. YouTube. That is brilliant. I really love that. Well, thank you so much, JM, my friend, for these gifts. And I'm going to be sending you a package out once I've got my car sorted out, my friend. Having issues with that, so having trouble going out to the post office and things. Quickly, I want to sort of show this plug follower made out of solid brass. And I'm getting a full set made out of these from one of the lads at work that is like an engineer. Literally puts a full piece on a lathe, and whatever diameter I gave him, he literally planes off. This spins at high speed, and that's been polished up, but it's my fingerprints that are actually spoiling bits on there. So I'm going to bob that quickly to one side. And again, jmmurdy, my friend, you are an absolute diamond for all these bits and pieces. You really are. I did not expect this, I really did not. And as I've stated before, even though this is not a lock picking video, thanks for watching, and when you are picking, please keep it legal. And again, happy picking. Thank you, Jay, my friend. I'm overwhelmed. I really am.